Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Kynnoh yalam jong Seng Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, Seng kami lalit rung kendit syaka office trekam director ketenat printing and stationery USR Marak, kabadan hadian ke office NIC, bat ban kentu ya ba uday ban mi no shisendan naka kamera ban ailat baka jing toket kan long ka bakhuj. Kani kala jam ta ka singi ka khatwai tarik ukala lingkot ar hajar ar pulai hadian baka Seng kala dep ban ai ka shithi ban toket halor ka jing Pyndonkam Bakla USR Marak ya ka Pisa ka bakot hado ar point not khandai klor tingka. Na kalyang ka Seng kala ong bawat hadian bala dep ban ai ka shithi shaw menteri rangba ka sarkar ka klem sospon la ne pin kan ria kam yo Marak khnang baka jing toket kan ya shakhaman klem Kynnoh ki jing e. Ka Seng kala ong ru bakan ap habar ka slem trekam jong u hado bo undami na ka office jong u. Wat la ka office ka dan marjan ni jingai tang arspa meter na ka SP office hendai ki pulet kilawan poisya kani ka jaka tat andalami Kynnoh yalam Seng.
Fkjgp hadin bangila ay ka city chief minister hakabide bat kani ka dipamtan inquiry hakabadan ka jing Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka Pisa ka ba kot hadu 2.09 crores ya ka ba ngilalap na po ka report na CAG bat kumjuru na ka RTI ng Agent Star berkalang hadin mengilap Phah city nadu ka ako ada apply te kunta dengan syamba ni iPod ultimatum ko exposing dengan syamba nakalyang ka government kam Malay ban transfer isu department ni ban suspend itu sebenarnya tarangin nak yang kasang Fkjgp sang company iwan ban ong itu bawa di bermin anak office sendan ada udang dan akan ke department ni kalong ke inquiry ke nomlong ke bukut yang bersubah uang apa nak yang juga bukan don kata ke inquiry di mentah kasih di hearing tempat postpone no tinggi kata kami ke kamera menjadi ni ko abi bagi ke inquiry di benong fair bakrang bagi pat kiba bishar kiba iya kata jengkut pada subah apa bidai bat kata allegation against director kata ka syawah ka dipamtan hi ban rai kata kan ini ong uba bo incorporate bat ni ka Fkjgp na market ba urang dan himu po department kanong ko galong ban penyat yang tak inquiry na mar ada urang dan himu ka bor kan chamjing tinata ka daw kerpat ubo udi ban mino si sendan na ka office kanang kat bakani inquiry ka patkon di buong ubah ka dan haban pentip saya segi bahe tinggi dengan ailat ubon pentip segi bahe ban ngit scam ba un corporate bani Seng ba un Seng rekam yang mentah dari Hima untuk secretary di nata salah bani tinggi apa kata di long impact kan ada umi tinggi ni haban ship extreme step
pensong din abi yang ni hadu mon lami na pen hadu ko
ni kata ngin haban packing ada umi iman sih ni haban apa
Nakaliang USR Marak habakren bikinong tho kubor ulay tho baka Seng kalakan tho yu halor ka jingbam sam bat kila Phah yu bon mi no umarak uloong bakamdan ka jingbam sap ha kanu rukom nakaliang jong u bat udan ni ka hok ban ya daya ladi ha ka jing tokin shu umarak uloong ru ba omla ban shumi na ka slem trekam kat pat yo ya ka hukum na ki bahalor
like I'm not authorized also to give any statement on behalf of the government, but since this is personally attacking on me, I think I have got every right to defend myself. So I'm trying to defend myself in the inquiry committee. Today was the date actually for the hearing. Then for some reason actually, it could have happened today, so they have postponed it. Inquiry is happening, but first hearing could not be done actually. Since the attack is personally on me that I have misappropriated, I have done corruption and all, I am telling you, nothing as such. Nothing as such. There may be some lapses in the working in the office. See, sometimes you may have to, ignore the rules. Ignore the rules in a sense. Sometimes maybe you cannot wait for, so regarding this purchase and all. You cannot wait for the this purchase board or something like that. Then we order, on emergency and all certain things are there. So they are saying that they're saying also very irregular. So I have favored somebody and all those things are there.
So what we really do?
I cannot leave. I cannot leave. See, I can cooperate on other things, but then asking me to leave, I cannot just leave like that. See, I'll have to inform my authority. If my authority says yes, you leave, then it's okay. I have informed. I have informed.